Hey guys, so this is day 2 of using the Tretinoin. I know that you previously saw the video where I did a package reveal. But I also had makeup on. Just to give you a little bit, this is my face. I just got out of the shower. I have rosacea, uneven skin. It's usually redder than this. So last night I did the whole regimen where I used a double cleanse. I used my regular cleanser and then the cream oil cleanser. And then I used the weightless whipped moisturizer. And then this is the formula that they specialize just for my skin that has tretinoin in it. Okay, so I have super sensitive skin, rosacea. Last night was the first night, and then I just got out of the shower and I used the oil cleanser this morning. So for day 2, I mean, a lot of times you're not gonna see the difference. However, I will say my skin is not as red as it typically is when I get out of the shower because I take really hot showers and heat is really bad for rosacea. So I'm gonna try to do like an update every day so you can see the difference in the skin and the even tone, because you know I like to do a review of a product, and because I'm not getting paid and I'm not getting free product, you're always going to get an honest opinion from me, especially since the product is not, I mean, for good skincare product, it's gonna be pricey anyway, but, and then I got the samples. These are the sample sizes that I only had to pay for shipping. You go and you do a quiz and they specialize it for you. But all of this, they ship every 2 months. So you get, if I'm reading the instructions right, you're getting like a 2-month supply. It's around $200. For people who use skincare, really honestly, that's not a lot. But if you're like me, you're on a budget, you can't spend a whole lot of money because your kids take all your money, that's a lot. So we're gonna keep testing, we're gonna keep trying every single day, because I'm gonna let you know and you're gonna see the difference of whether or not it's gonna help. Because when you're 41, your age and your body just hit differently. So here is the whipped moisturizer. You're gonna pump it. You don't need that much because all you have to do is put a thin layer on. And I'm gonna put it on my neck and on my face. So today, this morning, I've used the face wash and I have used the moisturizer. Now, you're supposed to use the formula with the tretinoin in it like twice a day, but because I have sensitive skin, it's recommended that I gradually ease up to it while my face is getting used to it. Another recommendation that they made was to mix the formula, the specialized formula, and the moisturizer together to make it to where it's not so harsh on my skin. I am not gonna put it on this morning because I put it on last night and I don't want it to irritate my skin. Typically I would put on the tinted, they gave us the tinted sunscreen. Addie already got into it because you know she does, that's what she does. She put it on this morning, loved it. This looks super, super dark. However, it blended in perfectly with Addie. Now, this is what I would use for my skin. However, I'm going to go see a dermatologist today to look at my rosacea. So I don't want to put any makeup on because I want her to see my skin the way it is. It's been recommended that I have laser treatments done to take care of the rosacea that I have. And I'm just going to go and find out about it. Just because I'm ready to get to the point in my life where I don't have to wear makeup. Because it's fun when you're younger and it's fun when you go to events, but I just don't want to wear it. I guess I want to have skin like I had in my 20s, but you know, that was 21 years ago. All right, guys, I will keep you updated every single day. This is also the eye cream, the under eye cream, that is great for the crow's feet and all the wrinkles like here and here. But again, I'm not putting this on because I'm going to a dermatologist and I want them to see my skin the way it's supposed to be. Now, when I put this on last night, my eyes felt so good. And this morning when I woke up, you could see that it was still glossy, it was still on, it didn't rub off onto my pillow, and it still felt good this morning. So far, doing it last night, doing it today, I do see a little bit of difference. Not much. I'm not going to see anything with the wrinkles, but I did see something with the color of my skin. So I'm excited to keep trying it. I'm going to put it on tonight, and then we will do a day 3 to let you see the results. Talk to you later. Bye.